Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix sorry could not find username in Snapchat problem. If you're using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to add anyone and your friend on Snapchat, you see a message that sorry could not find the username or the name which is mentioned here. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically, sometimes it happens when the person has been blocked you. So if you have blocked anyone or you are being blocked by someone and you're trying to add them as a friend, so you're not able to do this. Before doing this, you have to ask the person to unblock you, and after that, you can easily do that. But if the person hasn't blocked you, but you're still facing the same issue, so there's a phase where troubleshooting or refreshing your network to fix the issue. The very first thing is that you have to check that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then go back, go for settings, go for general. You have to double check that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. Again, go back from here, go for the app store here. You have to simply search for Snapchat and you have to try to update your Snapchat app. And after updating, you have to go back and here you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you can try to restart your device, or if you're on your iPhone, so you can also try to make a force restart on your iPhone. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so there's the only way. Open the settings app here, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for your Snapchat app, and you have to try to offload your app. So tap on offload app and then tap on offload app again. After offloading, you have to reinstall your app, and after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.